mean they'll bite. There he is. Oh, feels like a really good one. If it's a crappie, well, he's just a fighter. He's decent. He's not huge, but he was pulling like a darn bass. So we just shot in there. God, he wasn't coming off. We just shot in there and let it fall through the brush. It was about 15 foot, and I seen it on scope swim up to it, so that was a good one. There he is. I seen that one on scope. This feels like a good crappie. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, so as you saw, we gently bent our rod. We didn't bow it real bad. Shot right up there where the live scope said they were. There's a rope hanging with a pile, and we got a 12-inch crappie. Folks, if you got any questions on shooting docks or crappie fishing, just hit me up in the message column on YouTube. I'll answer immediately. Y'all have a great day.